Okay, so I've just had a little look at the footage of me outside and it does look a bit shiny. I'll try again and see if it looks any better. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be another wig. I'm having a super frizzy hair day today because I've showered it and left it. Never a good idea, but doesn't matter because we've got a wig to try. I've been really lucky enough to be able to have another IMWIGS sent to me. I'm really excited to have a look at this one. I'm not sure on the length and everything yet, so I'm just gonna go with it. Let's open this little bad boy up and see what she's like.
Every touch feels like a body rush. Every breath feels like falling in love. Only you give me, you fall. Yeah. I think we're melting into one. I wanna get.
So this one is not a lace front, but I really love the colour. I'm actually quite excited that it's not a lace front because I get on better when they're not. I'm not the best at styling them when it comes to a lace. So it comes with this netting over the top, and then inside it's padded out with loads of, which is brilliant because it just keeps that wig in shape. So many times I've got a wig and there's only a tiny bit in there, or there's none at all, and then the actual cap goes into a funny shape. So that's kept really well. There is some of these gel packs in there. Put them up there because of my animals. And then inside the cap, it's very light and bouncy. So you've got this bit here, you've got your adjustments. Oh, hang on. I've never seen this before. I've never ever seen this before. The adjustments are Velcro. So that'd be so much softer at the back of your head rather than the clips that keep sticking to the net. I always have that when I'm trying to put them on. It will stick to the net. So they're Velcro. Top of the cap looks like that. And then the root looks like that. It's got these really nice bouncy waves. I love the natural colour to it as well. I've had my hair this colour before when I was like in my early 20s and I absolutely adored it. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up. But I'm really looking forward to popping this on and not having such a frizzy do. I will say that I was extremely proud and really grateful to be able to be one of the faces for the last IMWIGS I did. So that is on their website. I will link that one down below also. It's a platinum blonde lace front bob. And yeah, I love that wig so much. It's just takes me to a whole other world, that one. Little net cap on successfully. Oh my gosh, that was so easy to put on. I think it should be a bit more like that. Oh, I really like this colour. I think you can play around with where you want your hairline. So I think it's meant to be at the side here because I'm feeling the back and that's completely level with the curve of my neck there. So I think that's where it's meant to be. But I think you could play around with it and have it wherever you wanted it. Like if you wanted it a bit more at the top. I'm going to keep it like that for now because that's how it's meant to be. Let's have a little look at the edge. Oh, I love this bounce, look. Gorgeous, isn't it? So this is the hairline, which I think is really good actually. Like it's reached my ear perfectly. And again on this side, although I've got some of my own hair coming through, so let me just, there we go. I think that looks really good. I'll have a play around here, but let's have a look at the back. I think this is what, a 12, 14 inch? I'm going to get the link and I'll pop it down below for you to have a little look. So it is synthetic, but it really does not at all feel synthetic. Like it really does feel like human hair. I feel like I could straighten it, curl it and all sorts. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing it. It also doesn't have those clip pins so that you can just like grip into your own hair to keep it in place. it doesn't feel like it's going to move, to be fair. It's nice and comfortable, but I've got a drawer full of those, so if I felt I wanted to pop one in, it would take less than a minute to stitch one in, so I'm not fussed about that. It moves around from the actual cap as well really easily and really flowy, just like normal hair would. So when I go like that with my hair, that's what mine does. If I do that with like some synthetic wigs that don't feel as good quality as this one, that won't happen. It doesn't do that. Like if the wind was to blow, I mean, look. I'm going to take you outside in a minute. We can go and have a look at the shine and whatnot. Think of the hairstyles you could do with this. Like this nail's driving me mad. It came off in the shower and a bit of the glue's still on there and every bit of hair is sticking to it. It's driving me mad. But the hairstyles you could do with this, like you could really like get some great looks, I feel, with this. Because I feel like you could put this up. Like I feel like you could put this up and it's not going to look wiggy at all. Look. I don't feel like that looks like a wig. I think I prefer this to the blonde one, the platinum blonde, because I feel like this is more me. This is something that I would go out in and be perfectly comfortable in. I love big crazy hair and I love this colour. Let's go and have a look at what it looked like in the sunshine, because it's a beautiful sunny day today. So let's go and have a look and see how it's going to look there. That's a bit better. I think it's not like ridiculously shiny or anything like that. All this I love. It's just this bit. So what I think I might do is I might cut a wave fringe into that, which I'm going to go and do now, I think. But this is what it looks like in the sunshine. Voila. Back inside. So I'm just having a look at it now. So this bit, I feel it just needs a little something here. If it has a little something here, then I'll be in this all the time because this is gorgeous. I'm going to brush it as well. I have been playing around with it quite a bit. You know, I've been quite vigorous with it. Honestly, this just doesn't feel at all like synthetic hair. It's really weird. Right, I'm going to clip some of this back. So I'm going to clip that back. And I'm going to cut this bit into a longish fringe. I'm just adding this bit here into the mix. I might just feather it down this time. That's much better. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and get my straighteners and I'm going to tease it back over that side so that it just stays that side and doesn't keep, otherwise it's a wasted effort, you know. So I've got my hair straightener still. I've got my hair straightener here. I've set it to 160 and I'm going to give it a go. Just see if I can bring that more central. Please don't melt. Okay, so it's going to take a bit of training to get this to stay over this side because I've got it to a shorter length that I wanted, like that. But at the moment, it's just refusing to stay on that side, and that's the side I really want it to be. So I'm just going to have to keep doing this for a bit until I get it over, because I think once you do that, it looks so much better. I mean, just look, it just, much, much better on that side than it just being sort of flat here and then parted. Just giving it that little something. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like I love this one. This print, it's really big as well. This print I prefer to the other one, but I still love the other one. It's got absolutely, oh, it's lovely. I'm going to try and see what it looks like to have it on your head. I don't think that suits me. I won't wear it. I would wear it this. Either around here or off my bag or around my waist in some kind of way. I wouldn't wear it on my head, but oh. Okay, so I've just had a little look at the footage of me outside and it does look a bit shiny. So it doesn't look like it at all like this, but it does. And I feel like I'm going to cut that here as well on that side. So I'm going to spray a load of dry shampoo. I'll have another look, see what it looks like. And I'm going to cut this. So let's cut the whole front bit here and see how it looks. I'm just going to add some cheap old hairspray. Could try again and see if it looks any better. Oh, I think that looks so much better. I really, really do. And I think eventually that is going to stay on that side because I've had that with wigs before where I've wanted it to be on the other side and it's done it. So I'm just going to keep persisting with it. And it can be a little annoying at first, not going to lie, because you're trying to get synthetic hair to go into the opposite direction and it just keeps getting in your face, isn't it? But eventually it will just set in that side. So it's gone from here being flat that side to having to go over there. And I just think doing that makes such a difference. Such a difference. I absolutely love this. I really, really do. I think it looks realistic. It looks like it's just somebody who likes really big hair and it's gorgeous. I am going to try and put it up before I leave you. So I've got myself a little band here and I thought before I go, let's just go all out and put it up. I'm not quite sure what yet. I don't want to tamper with this bit too much because I really want that one to go over. But I might try like a high up kind of do and give it a real high look. So I feel like this wig is perfect for that. I feel like this is great for just putting up high, giving yourself that big volume. I'm going to do this into a ponytail. So I've just gone, it's probably not going to be tidy because I'm just like, I'm not like at my mirror with me hair tools and all that. You know what I mean? I'm just wanting to play around. I want to give it some lift at the top. It's just perfect for a high up look, isn't it? I don't know about putting all of it up because it's going to show here. I'm going to keep wearing it in until the hair is chosen to go the side I want it to. You know, it's got to behave and do what it's told. But so this is definitely how I would wear this wig, with the bit of the parting pulled over to this side. It is actually starting to stay now, so I'm just going to keep on with it. I really, really like this. I like the big bouncy style to it. I feel like there's so many variations you could style this wig as well, which I really, really like. And I love the colour. The colour is beautiful. It blends perfectly with my own hairline here. And I wouldn't feel uncomfortable either. Like if I was out and about, I would not feel uncomfortable wearing this. I would feel perfectly comfortable. And I think I will be wearing this quite often because I really, really like this. And it makes me feel like how my hair used to be when I was younger, because it was nigh identical to this. It's the summer holidays and the kids are off and it's getting a little bit loud in here. So I'm going to end this video here and say, once again, thank you so, so much for sending me. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am extremely grateful and I will be in this very, very often. So yes, I love this. Thank you. I will pop the link down below. So if you're interested in this and the previous one that I reviewed, then take a little look. I prefer this one definitely to the other one. This one's a lot easier to just pop on and go, especially now that's staying. I really like that. So thank you so, so much for watching, and I will see you all again in my next one. Bye.